Driving down College Avenue near the Claremont Village may look a little different given the progress Pomona College is making on their new Museum of Art. Now that most of the concrete has been poured, next up is the interior work, like the electrical or the plumbing, and of course the landscaping. But there is a lot of work still to be done on the 33,000 square foot museum. So even though construction will be finished in June of 2019, the museum won't be open for months later because of the time needed to move nearly 13,000 pieces of art for storage and show. Many factors come into play when moving old and delicate art. The temperature and humidity of the museum, the way it's going to travel, and even the right time of year to move. Every little thing makes a difference. The move itself will be done in phases. First, the furniture that houses the artwork, and then the items themselves. The current museum will be open until May 2020 as the artwork is moved into the new building.